Hi all, welcome to the session wherein we would be checking out how to customize the table layout in SAP. Now, the reports is a very important aspect and a part of any business. So, in this scenario, if in case there are already pre-built tables and there would be many tables that will be customized, so now we would see that if in case there are any reports, how we can change the layouts of the table, and if in case we can make a little bit of user settings according to our wish. Now the standard transaction code SE16, I'm going in. You can see here, okay, let us pick up EKPO only. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit enter. All right. Now inside you can see here all these technical names it has picked up. Now, this is very difficult for any of the native users to remember that what technical name represents to what field name. So, what we can do is, if in case we would like to have this changes, go to settings, then user parameters, and then here instead of field name, pick up field label and say OK. Now, you can see here it has picked up all the field labels, and it's very easy for us to understand now. It's purchasing document, item, material, company code, plant, etc. Now I'm just going to reduce the number of the hits so that the execution becomes a little faster, and hit execute. Okay, this is a standard table layout. Now I do not want this table layout. I want a different layout. So what I can do is go to settings again, user parameters. Now here you have ALV grid display. Click on this and then say OK. You can see that the table layout is changed. Now one more thing is that if in case you would like to change the current lookout of your table, you can also do that. How? Let's see. Now here settings again, columns, optimize with freeze to column, unfreeze columns, layout. In this, if in case you'd like to change, you can do this, or if you want to choose, you can choose this. Else you have here one option. Now click on this. This is a change layout. So you would get all the columns, whatever is there right now here. What you can do is you just have to pick up what and all columns you would like to have. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to transfer all of these to the other side right now, and then we can plug and play a little bit. So this is arrow which you can by which you can hide the selected fields. So you can see here. Now if I say OK, there will be no data. You can see here there is no data visible as such. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of things here. Now purchasing document, client, purchasing document, and item. First let's have these three, and we see okay. So you can see here client, purchasing doc, item. Three things have come in. Again I'm going in for change layout. Now this time let's go for material, company code, and then plant also, and storage location also. And I say this, and the moment I say okay, you can see here. So this is how you can customize your own layout, what and all fields you want, what and all data you would like to extract. For extraction of this into a spreadsheet, you can look out my other video where we have already discussed how to extract any of the data into the spreadsheets. Now this is a check table. You can see here all the details pertaining to the database. You can see here. Now if in case you would like to have some more changes in the layout, you can do that, or else you can save this as a variant and then you can use it. So if I'm going to use this layout, you can put up some name, user specific, and next time onwards whenever you're coming in, only this setup comes in. Apart from that, you can freeze the columns also, or unfreeze the columns, and if in case you'd like to go for optimization of the width, you can do that also. Say for example you want to increase this or decrease this, that also you can do, or you can plug and play with your mouse itself. So here according to your own wish, you would like to, the way you would like, you can create it. So SAP is like very user friendly. Now user parameters. Now here There are a lot of things like ALV, grid display, ALV list, SE16, standard list, field name, field label. So you can plug and play with this. Apart from that, you have a lot many other options like ABAP editor, UML settings, workbench, class builders, screen painter, menu painter. So this is like a little more technical in nature. So let's not get into it unless you are into ABAP and you are going to use ABAP. Then we can use or look into it. Otherwise, it's not required. So this is basically from a native user or from an end user perspective, or maybe this could be useful for a functional point of view also if in case you are entering into SAP as a functional consultant. Apart from that, one more important thing that I would like to show is let's go into the standard list, SE16 standard list. Now I'm just going into it. You can see here this is a width, list width is 0250. Now this is very important. Now right now you can see here how many columns it has picked up till info record, right? Now, I would like to have all the records displayed. So the maximum width that you can go up till is 1023. So I go for 1023 and you can see here it has picked up till base units. Now purchase info records, everything is picked up. Earlier we had up till purchase info record only, but apart from that purchase info record, all the other hidden columns also it has picked up. You can see here info records, after info records there's so many other columns that it has picked up. So it has picked up all of them. So this is the plus point of the list width. Now if in case you would like to change the fixed columns, that also you can change. Else, I mean, if in case you'd like to use freeze and freeze, all those things you can use it. So it's very easy, very user friendly. Plug and play, experiment with it, and it will give you a lot of other options. So finally you can customize the table layout according to your own suitability. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do subscribe, and you can also give us a like, so that, I mean, we get motivated to create more videos like this. Thank you so much. Have a great day.